Welcome to this Yoga Nidra practice. Please find a place where you will not be disturbed and where you can practice in comfort. Make sure all distractions are switched off. Make sure you have whatever you need to be warm and comfortable for this practice before we begin. If you need to make any movements in order to be able to lie down comfortably, make them now. Please adopt the pose Shavasana. In this position, the body should be straight from head to toe, legs slightly apart, arms a little away from your body, with the palms of the hands turned upwards. If you are unable to lie flat, lie with your knees bent, knees together and feet apart. So make all adjustments necessary until you are completely comfortable. Close your eyes and keep them closed until you're told to open them. Take a deep breath and invite calmness to spread throughout your body. As you breathe out, allow your body to let go and relax. There is nowhere you need to be and nothing you need to do. Simply focus on this moment in time. To develop your awareness of this room, without opening your eyes, visualize the walls and the ceiling, the floor, and your body lying down. Become aware of your physical body and all the different sensations in your body. And become aware of the natural breath. Become aware of the deep, natural, spontaneous breath. Let your awareness move freely through the different centers of the body. As quickly as possible, let your awareness move freely from one point to another, repeating mentally the name of each part after me and becoming aware of each part. So we start with the right hand thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger, palm of the hand, back of the hand, the wrist, the lower arm, the elbow, the upper arm, the shoulder, the armpit, the right waist, the right hip, the right thigh, the kneecap, the calf muscle, the shin, the ankle, the heel, the sole of the right foot, the top of the foot, the big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. Left hand thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger, palm of the hand, back of the hand, the wrist, the lower arm, the elbow, the upper arm, the shoulder, the armpit, the left waist, the left hip, the left thigh, the kneecap, the calf muscle, the shin, the ankle, the heel, the sole of the left foot, the top of the foot, the big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. Become aware of the right buttock, the left buttock, right shoulder blade, the left shoulder blade, the spine, the back of the neck, the back of the head, and the top of the head, the forehead, the right temple, the left temple, the right eyebrow, the left eyebrow, the space between your eyebrows, the right eyelid, the left eyelid, the right eye, the left eye, the right ear, the left ear, the right cheek, the left cheek, the nose, the tip of the nose, the upper lip, the lower lip, both lips together, the chin, the throat, the right chest, the left chest, the middle of the chest, the navel, the abdomen, the whole of the right leg, the whole of the left leg, both legs together, the whole of the right arm, the whole of the left arm, both arms together, the whole of the back, buttocks, spine, shoulder blades, the whole of the front, abdomen, chest, the whole of the back and front together, the whole of the head, the whole body together, the whole body together. Please do not sleep. Total awareness, no sleeping, no movement. Your whole body lying down. Become aware of your whole body lying down and have complete awareness of your body lying on the surface beneath you. Develop awareness of the whole body. Become aware of the space occupied by your body. And become aware of the meeting points between your body and the surface below. Go on feeling all these points, the sensation of all these points simultaneously, evenly. Go on feeling these points clearly and distinctly. Allow your body to let go until you feel completely relaxed. Imagine you're resting upon a bed of warm, soft sand. Every part of your body is relaxed. The sand is warm and it molds around your body. You feel supported, held, secure. Allow your body to sink deeply into the sand, releasing and letting go. Feel warmth, softness, ease. Let your gaze look up into a deep blue, cloudless sky. The blue of the sky meets the blue on the horizon. There is no distinction between sky and ocean. All around you is the blue of the sky, the blue of the sea, and the sea calm, peaceful, still, and silent. Feel the warmth of the sun on your face and body, relaxing you. Feel the warmth of the sand supporting you. Feel as if you are floating, suspended, lifting, light and weightless, able to float in the air like a bird in the sky. And imagine you are a bird in the sky. Feel the warmth of the sun on your body as you float in the vast blueness. Feel warm air lifting you above the cool, still water below. Breathe deeply, taking in fresh sea air, allowing your lungs to fill deeply, clearing space within. Fly close to the land, smell the blossoms from the plants below you, lifting up on the warm air that lifts you. Drift above land and sea, lifting and sinking with the rhythm of your breath, gradually sinking lower with each long out-breath, until you come to rest back on the sand. Watch the sea flow in and out, the water flowing in as you breathe in, flowing out as you breathe out. And feel the support of the warm sand under your body again. Feel the temperature of the air around you. And be aware of the space around you. Become aware of sounds around you. And bring your attention back to your surroundings. Breathe deeply. You are back in your room. Start to feel the sensations in your body, your arms and legs, how rested they feel. Your face, how calm and peaceful. Become aware of sounds within the room and sounds from outside. Start to move your body slowly. Start to stretch out your fingers and toes, and then arms and legs. Take a deep breath. When you are sure that you're wide awake, sit up slowly and open your eyes. And thank you for sharing this practice with me. I hope that it has brought some relaxation to you at this time